So, all right, well, I think if you get 100 views and everyone that likes the video, you get at least 50 likes out of your 100 views, then we should send out 5 boxes for free.
Shit. Wow.
Unless you're really going to wear them. I've never
worn I don't want to do this again.
I've never worn magnetic things. I've never put on fake eyelashes. I don't know, that sounds scary to me. I'm afraid it would rip off my real ones.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
We got magnetic eyelashes. I thought it would be silly if we tried them out.
I wanted to put them on you.
Oh, if that's what you want to do.
That is what I want to do.
Okay, so then we don't have to do this.
Yeah, we do, so you can see them.
Okay. So I can see how pretty I am.
Mic that up so I can see this.
Oh. Let's see.
Alright, so the instructions. Kind of. Okay, tips. Shake the bottle before use and seal the bottle in time after use. Make sure past the allergy test. Performance will be better if you can put on eyelash before the eyeliner dried completely, and refine the eyeliner line will also perfect. Okay, performance will be better if you can put the eyelash on before the eyeliner line dried completely. Eye contact, rinse out with clean water. Okay. How to use. The above notice. Carefully draw eyeliner line along with the eye shape. Ensure the line close to the roots of the real eyelash. Then make the magnets band slowly close to and connect with the eyeliner line before totally dried. Here's your choices. Sir?
Are those really like different? They all look like eyelashes.
There are different. You're gonna go with the middle ones for him.
Thanks for picking. I don't. Let's do. I don't want.
What do you want? A different one?
Yeah, I think that's your pick.
Okay.
It's like it's not too fine, but not too coarse. Just right, like Goldilocks and Three Bears.
What are those ones?
Are they special? They're the best.
Maybe. What's for the...
Well, I'd imagine people like do this. They dress up more than once, so it's like a multiple use thing.
I dropped it. Oh, so what's this? Oh, this is nothing. This is sand. This is sandpaper. Do I sand your eye? Face? Should I curl you first? Hold still. Stop it. Wait, maybe it goes this. I think.
Ow!
Get your eyelid.
Ow!
Sorry. Alright, the tweezer's ready. I've never done this before. I've never done this before.
Your pinched it. I don't know if you pulled it or pinched my eyelid. Holy
I got your eyelid.
This is already starting out bad. This is such a bad idea.
Alright, I'll guess I'll have to do that. Oh, it's like bright red.
Okay. Alright.
I'm not doing that eye.
Okay.
I'm doing the other eye.
Thank you. Just.
Well, I can only do one at a time anyway.
Okay.
I'm supposed to shake it first. Whoops, I didn't.
Yeah.
Okay, so before it completely dries, I got to put on. Yeah, I would. I have tweezers close to your eyelid.
Oh my god. I can keep my eye closed. Right?
Yeah. Mine is still watering. It was like.
Because I think you didn't.
You know how people said the vaccine can make quarters stick to them, even though quarters aren't magnetized? These are magnetic eyelashes. I wonder if quarters are magnetized to something that's actually magnetized.
Like,
But they're not. Quarters aren't
No.
magnetized. No coins are. Okay. So, your eyeliner doesn't really look good. Just gonna throw that out. I got a wipe though.
what do you mean my eyeliner doesn't look
Well,
good?
because it's like globbed. I don't. Open your eye. I wasn't like patient trying to make your eyeliner look good.
I thought that's why you were doing it.
No, this is what the eyelash sticks to. I thought we were doing the eyelash. I never had like fake eyelashes on myself, let alone I've never put them on anybody else.
Oh, what's up, box?
The point of the curler that came with it, unless you want to curl them after they're on and dry.
Probably. Oh yeah, you're right. I mean,
I don't know how long. I wonder how long it like fake eyelashes supposed to last.
8 hours. If that.
Oh, well, you know
Depends
more
how
about this than I do.
Depends how drunk you get.
You know a lot more about this. Okay, I need to feel them. So that one. A lot more eyeliner on that side. So that one just turned out better. Shut your eyes. Because I mean, it looks more like makeup-y on your right eye. The one I poked out.
I'm like real.
No, definitely
Like
don't look
better?
real. They don't look real. They don't look real at all. I think you need a wig though.
I'm not put. Okay, I guess I'll do that.
I mean, yeah.
Yeah, I'm not doing a big reveal until I get a wig.
Yeah.
That I'll do.
I don't know.
How are you serious?
I don't
Like
know,
there's
wig.
things turn up in the most random places. It's like HDMI cables. I can find 1,000,001 HDMI cables when I don't need an HDMI cable. But then, hey, I need a 15-foot HDMI cable. Boop! Not a one to be found.
Okay, got it. Fredericks of Hollywood, red wig. So you should feel.
Oh, this was a nice one.
Yeah.
Oh, my hair is perfect already for wigs.
Look at me. So you're not really good for like a bob.
What?
The bangs don't look good.
Bob. You don't like the bob at all.
And your pink clashes with your
Oh,
hair.
let me grow my hair out again. This feels so cool. There.
Let me see. Okay, look, open your eyes. This one isn't your color. Okay, I need you to look that way. Okay.
Are they flapping?
Yeah, but I don't know. This color doesn't really bring them out. Are they flapping? Your eyes were going up and down.
Oh, this feels so weird.
Well, let me see it with the glasses. I mean, you can really not tell that much with the
I feel like
glasses.
Velma.